This section introduces AniShort to you. The multi-node batch operation function. Hold the left mouse button to select multiple nodes. You can align nodes, replace them in batches, create principals. Batch filing, grid splicing, grouping, batch download. Click Align to arrange multiple nodes in an orderly manner. Neat node arrangement helps team members quickly understand the creative logic and node relationships. Click Replace. You can batch replace images. Replace subsequent selected nodes with the content of the first selected node. Click Subject to create subjects in batches. Click Create to view in the subject library. Click Batch Filing to batch file real-life images. After successful filing, real-life videos can be generated. Click on the Palace grid to splice multiple pictures. Batch Generate Storyboard. Click Grouping to manage multiple nodes in batches. Batch operation to improve efficiency. Groups of nodes can align and create principals. Batch generation, batch filing, batch parameter adjustment, ungrouping, batch download. Click Download. You can batch download the selected node's asset materials. That's all for multi-node batch operations.